Hello everyone, welcome to the WordPress class 7. Today I'm going to show you how to create an online shop using WordPress, and I will use the most popular WordPress plugin, which name is actually Woocommerce. This is the name. Also, let's introduce about the e-commerce. That means the online by selling goods or services through the internet. And this is the mainly e-commerce, and this is the most popular nowadays. Well, and the Woocommerce, that means that this is the spelling, and this is the most popular for the WordPress, and this is the free plugin. So it's actually usually most of the online shop nowadays, and there are many cool features actually which can be actually enriched your online shop, and you can download this from the link here, or you can just search on Google and you can download easily. Just search for the WooCommerce download. Okay, I've already downloaded this plugin, and we have a theme which name is Storefront. This is the free theme also. For the WooCommerce, there are some themes actually which is based on the WooCommerce plugin. That means actually you cannot use any theme that doesn't support the WooCommerce plugin functionality. So when you're using WooCommerce, you have to remember that the theme should support this WooCommerce functionality, which is important for the online shop. So you can find many free theme which support the WooCommerce functionality, and Storefront is one of them, and it's also popular, and it's a basic actually. You can create an online shop very easily with this theme. I have already downloaded it. You can download it. It's free, so you can download from their site. And we also will do some store setup and configuration, how to create the product, how to manage the orders, and some advanced settings for the product data. So all we do actually at the end. So let's start with installing the WooCommerce and storefront theme. So first one, I'm just going to add the plugin here. So go to the plugins, add new, upload. I'm just uploading manually because I have already in the downloaded in my folder. So this is the folder. Just pause it and install now. Okay, done. Just activate the plugin. Okay, and now I can go for the theme, which from the appearance themes. Just add new and upload the theme from here, the local directory. In my theme folder, there is the theme called Storefront, and install now. Okay, it has been installing and activate finally. Well, so both theme and plugins installed successfully. Now I'm going to show some setup wizard for the WooCommerce. So I'm just going to here WooCommerce, and there's some order actually. This done by me before, but you don't need it now. Now first I will create a product here, so you can go for this product, add product. And in the product, there are some attributes actually that are like something post. When you are creating some post, you can see the title, some description, category. So this similarly, we can actually create the product. So for example, we can give the name like that, t-shirt. There's a product, and we can give some just demo description here. Description as demo. And also you can create a category. I have already created one, and you can create another one like that, woman. Okay, and also you can set the product image. Because I can upload from my folder. So there are some t-shirt here. There's some nice t-shirt on the WordPress logo. Set the product image, and then we can also upload some images. That means for the gallery, that means we have multiple images, so I'm just selecting those images and together. So these three are for the gallery. Add to the gallery. So you can see this is the product gallery. Actually, this will be shown in the details page. That means the product details page, and this is the main image. That means this is shown actually home page or the shop page or listing page, whatever you say. This for the main image, and this is the other images which will be shown in the gallery. Okay, so our main attribute has been done. You can see there is something like that: general feed, title, description, category, product image, or the gallery, and the short description. We didn't set the short description. I'm just writing some short description here. This is the description. Okay, I put. Okay, and can just go to the product data. So this is the important part of the product. There are four types of product here. You can see the product type: simple, group, external, variable. So we can see here simple product are actually just which are unique like that. For example, we have a jewelry product. So jewelry product should be like a simple product, and that has some SKU, which is actually stock keeping unit. Basically, those SKU actually are used by the shop owner to manage this product. That means all the products have a has unique ID or something like that. That means by this SKU, a product model or color can be actually identified. So this is the simple product. That means just this unique product. And there are some other product like that variable. So variable product are those which has some combination of different attributes and variation. For example, we have a t-shirt product, and t-shirt product may have some variation like the color size. So there are some colors for like that: red, white, black, or the size large, medium, and small. So these are different attributes, but the product is same, which is actually t-shirt, but there are different attributes like the color, different colors, different sizes. But when we are using the simple product, we have just no other attribute. This is unique. Just it can be a ring or the jewelry, whatever. So for the simple product, we can use this simple type, and for the variable, which has many attributes like color, size, so we can use this variable product. And there are also other product which is actually group product. Well, group product basically contains separate product like that, which is combination of two or three products. For example, we have a bundle for the outfit, this outfit, and there is some combination of the shorts, shoes, pants together. So this is the together bundle. We can say that this is a package also, we can say. So these three product together actually called the group product, and the group product is the parent product of those single product. So we can create a bundle or group product using the separate three different type of product. So we can create a package or bundle. And finally, there are some other product like the external or affiliate product. I hope you have already known about the affiliate marketing or Amazon affiliate or eBay affiliate. So for this purpose, so we can use this type of product. Actually, we don't have the product in our shop. It's actually we are promoting the product from the other shop. For example, we are just promoting a product from the Amazon, and we are just giving the link of this Amazon product from our site, And whenever a visitor or customer want to buy this product, they just click on the buy now and they are redirected to the Amazon site. Not actually, they are getting the product from our own site. They are just referring to the other site. So this is called the external or affiliate product. So I've already given the example of the Amazon. And there are some two attributes other. This is downloadable and virtual. Downloadable are those which are for like that some software, ebook, music. So those type of actually product. So we can call them as downloadable. And this is actually not the real product. So these are downloadable. So that can be like that. I have already said that it can be ebook or any plugins or themes also can be a downloadable product. And there are some others is virtual. Actually, downloadable are the product are virtual, but the difference is if we don't make any product the virtual, it can be grouped with the real product. For example, we want to create a group using the notebook and other download software. So this is a group product, but the software is a downloadable, not the virtual. But if we make this software is a virtual, in that case actually it cannot be shipped with the real product. So it should be just virtual. So it cannot be grouped with the notebook or something other like that, which are real product. So whenever it is virtual, it cannot be grouped, but whenever it is downloadable, it can still be grouped with other real product, but it can be downloaded. And there are some price attribute, the regular and sale. This is the original price, that means the regular, and the sale actually temporary price, which is actually displayed as a discount or for the temporary price for promotion. And there is something like the upsells and cross sells. We'll also discuss later. So I'm just adding a variable product because we have the t-shirt which is a different attribute like size, color. So I'm just adding this one like that variable product. And we can give some SKU just this for our tracking. We can give the 111, and you can also stock management in the product level, actually, which is just for if you want to just set how many product actually we have. So you can set this as stock management like that. We have a 10 limit. That means after the 10, it will show that this out of stock. That means no user can order this product. And don't allow, that means the back orders. If the stock limit is crossed, in that case actually whether we want to the allow the orders or not. So we just not allowing any orders after the uh, completing or reaching the maximum stock quantity. Okay. And there are some other settings like that. Enable this option only. You want this item to be put in a single order. That means it cannot be just grouped with other product. It just have to be in a single product, single order. Okay, and shipping. So shipping actually for a no shipping class, we can create shipping class in the settings for the Woocommerce. Actually, it's not important for all the location or countries. Just you can create new shipping class if you are using any other third-party shipping services. Okay, and this is a link product. So upsells and crosses, but now we don't have any other product, so we cannot actually create any upsells or downsells. Might have I have some other product. Just let me check. Well, I have some other product like the virtual first product, so I can use this one. So upsell, I'm just typing like that first product, and for the cross sell, I'm using this one like that virtual or outfit. Well, let's introduce about the cross sells and the upsells. The upsells are those if you want to display some related product. In that case, that means we want to display a related product to the product details page. In that case, we can link the other product here. And for the cross sales, actually, it will display in the cart page, not the product details page. This is the difference between the upsells and cross sells, but the concept is same. Show some related product. So we are just creating or linking to this product for upsells and cross sells, and it will be shown in the product details page, and this one, that means the virtual product, will be shown as a related product in the cart page. Actually, we'll see that total actually how it is working when we publish this product. And let's attribute, adding some attribute. So I'm just creating attribute here. At our attribute name can be like color, just adding one, and the value should be separated by this sign. You can see here this bar. So for example, the red, white, and finally black. Okay, and also use for the variation. That means we want to create the variation for this product, and as it is the variable product, so it should have some variables variations. So I'm just saving these attributes. Color. Now go for the variation. So you can see at the variation. So go. Well, you can see the any color. We have already created three color. I'm just adding the red. For the red, I'm just giving a price here like that, 50 USD. I'm just giving the regular price because the sale price is not actually mandatory. And just save the changes. Okay, and you can also create another variation. For example, white. So for the white, I'm just creating another price like that, 45. And finally, I am creating the last one for the black. So you can see the red, white, black, and for the black, I'm just giving the price, so different price like that, 42. Okay, so three prices have been set for these three colors, and finally see the changes. Okay, done. Now go for the product here, just publish the product. Okay, and now I can, oh, so there's some problem with the SKU. It should be unique. I think I have used this SKU for other product also. Triple one, yes. So it should be another one like that. Double one, double two like that. Okay, and okay, and let's view the product now. Okay, so you can see this t-shirt now appeared in this gallery. That means the images for the gallery. Done. And you can see this is a short description. That means there are two type of description, one for the short and the details. And you can see the total description here. This is the details, and you can see the combination of the color. So you can see the range 42 to 50 because we have three different price for the three different colors. For the red, the price is 50. For the white, it is 45, and for the black, it is 42. And 10 is a stock. That means we have set the maximum quantity as 10. Okay, and this is a quantity, just how many product you want to buy here, and this is simple. And just add to cart. Also you can see you may also like, that means that we have already set the upsells. So for the upsells, you can see link product. Okay, for the upsell we have set the first product. This means this is another product, so it is showing here the first product. Okay, go to the add to cart, and now go to the view cart. Well, this is the view. And in the view cart, you can see there are three products. I'm just removing the other two to show something new for the cross sell actually. Okay, and go to the cart again. So now this is the cart, this one the cart page, and you can see you may be interested in this virtual product. That means the product we have set for the cross sales. So I have already said that for the cross sell actually displayed in the cart page as a similar product, and for the upsells it is showing the product details page. So this is the page. So you can see this the first product. So this is the cross sell and upsells, and I have set some attributes for the color. So you can see the color like that. In the additional information, the color, three colors, and there is some variation. This is the variation and these are attributes. But whenever you are using some variation, you must create some attributes. Other than you cannot actually create the variation. Well, I hope everything is done. So now you can just export this functionality here. So finally, I'm just going to order this one. Okay. Well, I'm showing something else like a coupon. So you can see the coupon here, Woocommerce coupon. Coupon is for some discount like that. So I'm just creating a new coupon. For the coupon code, we can see that ABC. This is the coupon code. This option you can set or not, and this is a price or the how much you want to give the discount for the coupon, like that. It can be 10. So there's a card discount. There are four type of discount. Card discount means actually it will apply to the whole cart. That means the total price. So if the total price becomes like that 100 USD, and the cart amount should be the 10. So the ultimate price will be the 90 after the discount. But if it is the 10%, like that, if you set this 10%, so it will be actually the percentage, not the amount. For example, the total price is now 50 and this is the 10%, so the discount should be the 5 for the 50, and this is the product discount. That means this is the individual product. For there are three products, and each product will get the 10 discount, 10 USD discount. And for the percentage, it is the same as just it will be calculated as percentage of the price, not the whole amount. Okay, and you can see actually how many times the coupon should be used, or maximum and minimum. Those are the just simple settings. You can set the expire date. That means how long it will work. Otherwise, that means, for example, 31st January. After the 31st January, the coupon will not work anymore. And this is the amount, and just giving the publishing it here. Okay, I'm just need to check something. It should be like just got discount. Okay, let's apply this one. B BC, and you can see our total price now is 84. So we'll get 10 discount. That means 10 USD discount, not the 10%. So apply this one, ABC, and now you can see now this is the 84 the previous. After the 10 discount, we are getting this is the 74. Okay, so how actually you can easily create the coupon here. Well, and now let's complete this order. Proceed to the checkout. But yeah, we have an option the cash on delivery only. I'm just giving something like that. Okay, place the order. Okay, the order has been received. Now we can go for the WooCommerce orders. So you can see this is the latest one. Just we have placed now 74, and this is the complete. That means when we have shipped the product to the customer, we can just make it complete, or the some other process actually by the staff of this author or the office. So this can be like that completed. Also there are some other settings like that. We can also cancel the order or refund something else. You can see the order action here. So you can see this the processing completed, refunded, customer invoice, cancel. So you can actually take any action depending on the situation. Okay, and there is some report actually, the sales report, and these the important things, settings. The WooCommerce settings here, you can see this is the location of the base location. So actually you can create it the your country name if it is based on your country. The selling location, that means which countries actually you are want to sell these items. This is the store location actually, from where actually it is operating base location, and this is the selling, that means in which countries actually the product will be sold. And this is a shipping location, that means in which countries the shipping is available. And the customer location, geolocate, is automatically actually track the customer location. The enable taxes, some in some countries it is mandatory like that, as a enable taxes for the product. Some the store notice if you want to show the notice. And there's some currency, and it's now pound. We can actually type like that, United States for the dollar, or BDT for the Bangladeshi taka. Well, you can also set the format, in which format actually you want to display the currency, and this separator for the thousand decimal like that. So this is the simple settings, and there are some other settings. Okay, I'm just leaving this one. And this is checkout. This is the important one. That means in which payment gateway we are going to use the, this is the cash on delivery. This enabled already, and we can also enable the PayPal. For the PayPal, just standard enable this one. And there's some the sandbox. Sandbox basically used for the testing purpose. For example, you just launch your online shop and you want to do some demo transaction, not the real transaction, to test the your PayPal is working fine. So in that case, just enable this sandbox. And this is the PayPal email. That means the PayPal account actually want to receive the payment. So if your account has obviously there's some email for your PayPal account, and just set this email here, and you'll receive the payment directly to your PayPal account. But whenever you are just selecting this sandbox mode, that means it is not the real transaction. This is the fake transaction, but it is for the testing purpose that the PayPal is working fine. But when you are using the real transaction, that means your site is live, and just make it disabled. And finally, the save changes. And there are some API. If you don't want to use the standard option of the PayPal, you can use the API. Actually, this is the for the advanced, but it's not mandatory. Just some cases actually may need to use that one. Okay, so all about this the WooCommerce. I hope you have got everything clear here. I tried to my best to clear all the issues here and all the topic. But if you have any question, you can just ask in the YouTube comment box on the also in the live class. Okay, so till the next class. Goodbye.